found a snake in the house. Oh my goodness. Where's the snake come from?
Yeah, I found type of snake. They're not getting no bigger than that.
Then dangerous?
Mm-mm.
Sean was just here drilling now.
I thought it was a worm, you know.
But run no move, so.
They not that
Stay
big.
one place and make a video.
Tell the worm, the snake is the one place I can have it in. I'm try to get to you know. They're slippery.
But you're not grow bigger than that.
Never see them bigger than that.
You
Taller,
long though.
but not fatter.
I'm gonna try pushing your head through. You stop.
Yes, you see how a snake look on your head good.
Don't move, making him stop. Making go on your bed now.
Are they venomous?
You sting me, Sean? Will it sting me?
And I finished my job.
You see head?
Skills. Kind of good skills. So does he bite?
Put a finger in your mouth.
That doesn't even look like he has a mouth.
Actually, I'm taking. Actually, just so.
And I took out the nails that.
Are you afraid of him, Sean? Oi!
It's a snake that I hate critters.
Huh? I'm trying to get Sean. He doesn't want to go. So Sean is pained up because he did some hard work today. And the kids are massaging him. Sean, you did? He's gonna make him feel more pain, that's true.
It's like we're beating him up. We're taking advantage.
I think my job is done here.
Your job is done, beat by what was your Sean?
I just broke me hand.
Well, at least you're not gonna feel any pain in it because it's broken.
No, sir.
Like
I tried to do it just his tactic. See? It's just his tactic. You gotta beat his meat. What?
Maya, Jordan is supposed to be massaging daddy, not.
Massage under
Jordan,
his
go a little
leg.
bit harder.
Above his leg.
Maya, no, come here. I'm dragging buzzes.
Okay. You're trying to massage him, not completely destroy his arm. Not end his reality.
Sean, for the Maya, never try. Alright, Maya, massage him now, real. I kill Sean.
Yeah, most look.
Yeah, daddy.
Sean say he feel like a million answers on him.
Bite me up.
Point. This is why I never asked them to massage me. Or you did once. Yeah, and actually that wasn't that bad. Honestly.
You can't use my hand. Maya, mash up daddy hand. Sean, try move your foot, man. Your feet and see if them feel better.
Just not thump me up his spine. I feel like the boy take out back and beat them back.
All the bean you give me over the ears, Sean.
He beat over the ears and take out for me.
Daddy can lift up his arm.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Don't slap me.
Take out all the way to his leg. Too much stuff, mommy.
Do they feel better? Sean, I just hand no feel nothing good, not you?
Bro, that has good number. Stage one.
Yeah, the only side in the hot.
Kind of bad, You ain't got picky nose. That's how you full of germs. Jordan, that side not hurting daddy.
Do it, so you have to do it.
Sean, that side not hurting you. But
No,
I think continue. Sean, that side not hurting you, but it's surely infected. Jordan, what you doing?
But I leave it as started.
Try for the Maya. Sean, it's when time my hand hurting her foot. I'm say Maya massage. Maya, into partner.
Because I just feel another.
Just see the can of thump one spot on the punching down.
Maya? You mashing up the tablet? So how it drop? You tell me never hear it drop?
It's
I guess it's a phone.
Just a phone. What you have? She said yes.
It's not broken.
Oh, so the
Yes.
Mom, to do this part, you must
Sesame and slip, Sean.
Mommy, to do this part, you must make sure your hands are sharp as a knife.
Poor
So you must go like
daddy's
this.
getting beat up. Mom, poor daddy's getting beat up.
You a beat up daddy.
And it-
Yeah?
You know what I'm saying? Good fart come up. Just gonna go in the food.
Jessica, what are you doing?
I did
Justin
this.
is putting some
Over that side.
pep in
That
this
side.
step.
Look at that.
But I massage them, but I don't massage you guys, so it's kind of like. What do you mean? We step on their box. I think
What's for the rest to do?
Just find a spot and
Find a
massage it.
spot. You can't do it right here. Because I'm not doing that part. Yo, you're gonna kill us all.
I don't mean, Maya massage you.
Stop.
What?
Massage his hand or something.
What does it say to massage right here?
Well, he's taking away his hand, so you can't
Massage
massage.
his back. Massage his back.
Oh gosh,
John gone to sleep. What going here, sir?
he definitely won't be able
Go
to
sleep
move.
at the job. Well,
Jello,
massage his
jello,
back,
jello,
massage his back, right.
jello, jello,
Dad,
jello. I'm
get
playing with
ready
daddy's
for a
leg like it's
super
jello.
duper sting.
You gonna make it-
Smash,
If
That
you're not
Jello.
doing anything, then go
Smash
and get
that
your
Jello.
tablet.
smash.